everybody, welcome to my channel, Crypto Code. So, as speak before, right? I think if you watch to my the channel before, I predict there's a dump after the S&P 500 having a 5% drop. Literally, it is actually happened after during the FOMC, right? So it is actually not touching. If we look at this, it's actually not touching the line here, but it's actually not breaking this. So directly after this, so we actually have almost I would say 5% drop. After that the federal notes, they literally raise 75 basis points. So it might gonna impact every asset class. So so I'm actually short term still, short term bearish. Sorry, short term a little bit bullish on Bitcoin, and midterm is bearish, and the long term I'm actually bullish right now. So 18K, I think it's a really good time, good price to if you guys on spots. I think it's a really good time to every day or maybe every month you start to putting some money in this. This is probably a once a lifetime opportunity. I believe if you see, I think in the future 2, 3, or even 5 years, Bitcoin at least going to a 100K. So at least 5 times or maybe 10 times on this. So if you have money, I think it's good. But this channel, it's actually helping people who do some futures or margin trading. So why I'm actually, on 4 hourly of 1 hourly, I'm actually a little bit bullish. So because you see, I think I already mentioned a lot of times. So if you take a look here, let's delete this. So if we're just looking at this, this is actually start to have a forming a triangle right now, right? So when it is actually going to break, so in the short term, I still thinking potentially it is on the it is actually, so the Bitcoin is actually still, I think it's still on the the on the short term is on the like this, right? So I believe they'll definitely have some downward probably to 15K, or like I think like probably the end of this September or maybe the beginning of November. I think it will definitely gonna blow, going down below 17K if the S&P 5 is going to break this level, right? So I think the Bitcoin also will follow. So before that, I think there's a small pump because of the 4 hourly chart level. I believe this thing also of S&P 5, I think it will have a little bit bounce back, probably I think around this 70K, or maybe on this level, and then start to dump to I think 33 or 34K level. I think probably next month. That's what I'm thinking. So if the Bitcoin probably doing the same thing, I'm thinking, I predict probably it's gonna probably rebounds back to 21 thousand level, 21K. for Bitcoin, and then it probably gonna dump to 75, I mean 15K around this level. Same thing. So um, so that's how we actually to see how the market is going to react. But so this is only one scenario, right? So what if the you know the the S&P 500 not rebounds? They just literally break. If all the investors are really fear, so it might gonna directly break this level. So what is the Bitcoin gonna do? So I believe the Bitcoin probably also gonna be start dump it directly to 15K level, right? So this is our plan. Okay. So if we are going to break, I think 18K level around here, we are going to put in a short position here. So we will have around if the market is going to crash like 15K, so we will probably catch a 18% dump. Okay. If so if we can put in a short around like 21K, wow, that would be a little bit huge, like 27%. So right now, like personally, I don't recommend do any trades right now. Let's just watch the market to be reacting right now, and yeah, let's see how I think it probably will give our direction tomorrow. Please pay more attention on this level. Either if we can break above, I believe like for Bitcoin, I think if we break above 19.5K, so I think it will rebound back. So I personally I'm not gonna I don't want to try this try to long here. It is like if you try to long here, it's only how much? It's around like 8%, but I don't know. It might gonna you never know if it's actually gonna go back to 21K, right? So I would personally just do. I'm still short this Bitcoin. So if actually break above, we are just waiting for the Bitcoin to give some if we can short in the 21K, that'd be perfect. Okay, that is the Bitcoin. Let's also take a look at the Ethereum. So Ethereum, I think it's a little bit weak right now. So if you look at the bearish, sorry, the hourly level, right? This is also another really important. So right now the key level I think for Ethereum I think is 2015K level. If we are going to break here, I think we will probably have probably another 21% drop, so we can catch. If Bitcoin also gonna rebound maybe to 21K, I think Ethereum probably gonna go back to 27K. Sorry, 2400 level, still gonna go and test it, and also we'll be going 24 to 1000 level. So yeah, that's basically my short term, 1 month, period of this time, for this prediction, I think. If you like my channel, please subscribe and give me some up, and also subscribe to my channel if you like. All right, thank you. Good luck on the trade.